Hello, everyone. I have something great to share with you today. Here at Thai National, we put a survey out with every single service order we do. And today, we got one back, full 5 stars across the board, for our Help Desk Rep Shanelle. She's newer with Thai National, but she keeps knocking it out of the park. Let me read this to you real quick. This is from our friends at Hand and Stone in Rancho Santa Margarita. She says, my support from the Thai National specialist was excellent. I've contracted with Thai National for many years and say with confidence that they've offered me the most responsive, best technical support for my PCs I've ever had. Thank you again for another great experience. Thank you, our friends over at Hand and Stone. We really appreciate it. We'll continue to service you well. And for Chanel, thank you very much. You are very valued here, and we really, really appreciate you being out in the front lines and giving that passion to our clients. And a big shout out to our manager, Danielle King. Thank you very much for all of your help, all your support, and everything you do for not only Thai National, but also our clients over at Hand and Stone. Thank you.